Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's been a minute. I've got a lot going on in this room, and in the next day or two, and you guys know me, probably in the next week or two, I will show you exactly how I built this, where I got my lights and everything. But I wanted to show you how productive this 12 by 14 room is currently right now with my Amy Engineering. So I'm not a great builder by any means. If you guys have been around my channel for a minute, you know that, and so many of you are so kind to not say anything about it. However, I do want to share with you how much I have growing in this room. So let me flip the camera around and give you a little bit of it. Okay, this is where I've started all my seedlings. I've got 4 shelves. Correction, I have 3 shelves and the floor. I'm not going to show you the floor because the floor is kind of messy and it's not potted. Over here I have just a regular old rack. I started covering my seedlings with some rice hulls. That's working out really well if anybody's interested in doing that. I'm testing out some paper pots that I've made. We'll see how that goes. I'll keep you guys informed on that. I've got some of my houseplants down there and some onions there. But this is the side of the room that I wanted to show you. So my friend Les gave me this tomato plant. She has probably doubled in size. She is doing great. I've gotten 2 cherry tomatoes off of her already. This is, I believe, some broccoli here. Some more seedlings that I've got to up pot. So I have sunflowers that are doing great in here. They're growing marvelously. Over here I have some zinnias. If anybody knows me personally, they know that I was growing these for my son's wedding. That was last weekend, and I just could not get them to bloom in time. I knew it was going to be close, but there are some Brussels sprouts there that are doing really well. Now I do have some nice lights here. I have this next light, and this is also a next light. I can show you some pictures here of the details on them. And then under here I just got some LED strip lights off of Amazon, and I'll put a link in those below. And the same over. What I really want to show you guys is my friend Les has a garden store here in town, and he has an amazing setup. So let's go take a look at his and see what he's got growing under his lights in his. All right guys, here we are outside of the grow shack in Chickasha, Oklahoma, and we're gonna go inside and we're gonna check out Les's setup. So, and I also brought him a tomato start. Let's go inside and check things out. All right, so here we have Les's grow bag set up. He's got some Swiss chard and dill in there. Tomato plant he's been growing for 3 years in a very large bucket. He's using Grower's Choice LED lights underneath of here, and everything is so happy. This is the hydroponic system he has set up, and look at there's my gift. He wasted no time getting that baby in some water. So we've got some Swiss chard here and some other leafy greens. And if anybody is interested in any of the things that you see when I go in and feature, check out the description below. I have all of Les's information to the grow shack, and you can contact him to get more information on all sorts of things, lights, bags, you know, other gardening supplies, fertilizers, anything that you can really think of, Les can hook you up. Now, here, an adorable little 4-year-old helping up pot some baby leeks. And some of you might wonder, why? Why are we watching these people plant baby leeks in a 128 cell tray? Well, I'll tell you. It's because I forgot to film an ending. So here's your ending. Y'all have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye now.